When the Archimedes Mangar lift is delivered to you, you'll notice it's in a box. It's kind of an odd-shaped box, and it does fit exactly the way you see it. So it does come completely assembled. Now, the quick start manufacturing guidelines recommend taking this apart the first time you put it in, just to make it easier on you and just to make sure that this frame fits really well inside your tub. So let's go ahead and go through that right now. So basically in the back here, they talk about lifting up the whole seat. So my handset is off, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the charger as soon as I get this. That way it's charged up overnight, ready to go. And then basically by pushing this button in here, I can release this, make sure this little tab is off here. I can release the seat, lift the seat up, and now it releases the piston or the motor that goes in behind this. I'm gonna set that to the side for the moment. Now the back, or the chair piece, comes off the frame. And now it gives me just the frame to work with, which makes it much easier to put into the tub for the first time. So now you're gonna take your frame and basically bring it into the tub. Make sure you clean your tub well first, make sure any oils are off there, make sure it has the ability to stick really well. Now I'm gonna start by just finding my flattest point in the back and make sure the suction cups have a good flat point to connect to. And basically push this down into place. Make sure all the suction cups have grabbed real well. And now most importantly is grab the frame, give it a good pull, not too hard, but just wanna make sure that this now sticks well to your tub. If you ever have to release this is a great way to see how it works. There's a little bar in the back, and by pulling this, it gives me the ability to let go of the suction cups. What I don't want to do is try to lift this straight up without releasing that, because I've actually seen people break off on some devices like this. It actually will break the suction cup right off the frame. So I'm going to pull back the bar, release forward, and as I continue to release forward, the way it's built is the front suction cups now release as well. It allows me to take the frame out easily just like that. So I'm going to take my frame now, seat, and there's 4 points in the back. Line them up in the back and drop it straight down, and now you're ready to put the motor on. So the large part of the motor goes up to the top, the short little silver part goes to the bottom, it faces me. I'm going to raise the seat up a little bit. Sometimes it may take a second person to kind of help do this. And then basically it drops down into place, locks at the bottom and locks at the top, and now it's secure and ready to use. So now once your base is charged up, you're able to reconnect it back up. Now when you go to connect this up, there is only one way to go on. There's a little tab that lines up to a tab inside there. Now this can lock in place. Waterproof connection, and you're ready to use your bath lift. If you ever do find the need to move this, just temporarily take it out so somebody else can bathe, possible, once you're comfortable with the whole setup on it, you don't have to necessarily take it apart each time. But you do want to probably take the handset off. That way you don't have the weight of that on there. In the back, remember there's that little bar that we pulled up for the suction cups, you're going to pull that up. But before you do that, there's a little tab that keeps the seat from sliding up on you. Just simply pull that up and lock it into place. You just don't want to forget to undo that later on when you go to use it, otherwise it will pull and possibly break that. So I'm going to use the suction cups, release in the back, tilt it forward. Now I can lift the whole thing as a unit. A little heavier this way obviously, but now that I know for sure it fits in my tub and it works well, if you're comfortable with that, this is one way to remove it out of there. Again, just make sure there's a little lever back here that when I go to release this, put it back in the tub, I have to make sure I undo that. That way it allows the seat to raise up and down freely. This just kind of locks it in place, so if I lift it by this part, it doesn't pull off the frame.